Space, the final frontier. But what if it weren't? What if we were to go beyond space and into time? The mistakes of the past erased, the future reborn, the mortal and immortal made to decide their destiny together. Time is no longer an arrow, but an infinite expanse of possibilities. Explore this strange new world. Boldly go where not even a cue has gone before.
Hello viewers, and welcome to the channel. Today we have a mechanical watch from the company Medana. The Medana watch company traces its roots back to 1909, when Fritz Meyer, a Swiss watchmaker, and his partner Johann Studeli founded the company in the United Kingdom to promote and sell their watches under the Medana brand. This initiative was part of a broader strategy to expand their market reach, particularly in the UK, where they aimed to offer Swiss-made watches at competitive prices. Throughout its history, Medana gained a reputation for producing quality watches that appealed to a wide audience. The company participated in various international fairs, showcasing its innovations and designs. The Medana brand was particularly known for its stylish designs and reliable movements, which helped it establish a foothold in the competitive watch market. In 1952, the Meyer and Studeli partnership officially changed its name to Romer Watch Company S.A., which became the primary brand under which they marketed their watches. The Medana brand continued to exist under the Romer umbrella, focusing on producing affordable timepieces, while Romer catered to the higher-end market. This watch we have today is from that time period before Romer. The watch is functioning correctly, but for some reason, the minute and second hand have fallen off. Let's open it up and address this problem. This is curious. The watch face has the Medana brand name, but the case back say Benrus. I wonder what happened here. Now I see why the movement will not come out of the case. The stem is going through the case. I would conclude that the stem can only be removed by removing the faceplate, or the stem is a split stem and needs to be pulled off. Let's leave the stem alone for now and focus on getting the hands back on. Unfortunately, when I was straightening the second hand to make it past the hour and minute hands, it popped off my workstation, and I cannot find it. So, we are going to press on and finish this watch without it. There we are, a new watch band on this 1950s Medana watch. Here is a sample of the watch running on the time grapher. Not bad for 75 years old. And here is the wrist shot. Thank you for watching. If you like more content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Take care and see you real soon.